Hello students, today we are going to see our third lesson, The Silver Arrow. This lesson explores the story of Robin Hood and the merry adventures of Robin Hood. We will get to know many of the qualities here, like both good and bad. We will learn about Nottingham and Sherwood Forest here and discover how Robin Hood and his men fight for the poor people of Nottingham against their dangerous ruler, the sheriff. When sheriff buys slaves to work in his mine, Robin and his men decide to stop him. Can Robin stop the sheriff's plan and go to the Silver Arrow competition in Nottingham? We will see the story now. It was a sunny Wednesday in Nottingham. One of the sheriff's men came riding through the town. He took out a poster from his bag and hung it on a lamppost. A little boy was watching him. As soon as he left, the boy took the poster and ran off into the woods. Woods means here is forest. And he asked, "Where is Robin?" he shouted as we ran through Sherwood Forest. Actually, the boy was looking for Robin Hood, the best archer in all of England. Robin Hood was the leader of a group of outlaws called merry men. Outlaws means the people who are hiding from the law. They all lived in the forest and were green jackets. Robin Hood took the poster from the boy and read it. "Lads, we are going to Nottingham," he called out to his band of outlaws. "The sheriff is holding an archery contest in 3 days, and the prize is a silver arrow." One of the men said, "Don't go, it's a trap. He is trying to capture you." Robin Hood answered confidently like, "Nonsense, he will never catch me." Robin Hood was a nobleman at one time, faithful to the king. When the king was fighting wars in far off lands, he left his brother, the prince, to rule in his absence. But the prince was an evil man. He took away the lands of all noblemen who were loyal to the king. He treated his people badly and they began to dislike him. After Robin Hood's lands were taken away, he escaped into the forest. There he found other people whom the prince had mistreated, and he taught them archery and fencing. Do you know what is archery? Which means art or sport of shooting arrows. The sheriff of Nottingham was as mean as the prince. He hated Robin Hood and the merry men because they robbed from the rich and helped the poor people. He wanted to capture Robin Hood and imprison him forever. But Robin Hood always managed to escape. The archery contest was the sheriff's latest plan to capture Robin because Robin Hood was very interested in archery. But Robin Hood also will not be able to stop himself from participating in an archery. He said he will imprison him and his merry men when they come to compete. Sheriff ordered his men that capture anyone who is wearing a green jacket. Robin Hood cannot escape from me this time. On the day of the contest, the sheriff stood standing for the merry men, but there was no sign of them. Finally, his chief officer said, "We must begin the contest now. The people are getting impatient." The sheriff was disappointed that his plan had failed, but he started the contest anyway. Many people came to watch the contest. They all cheered when an arrow hit close to the target. Everyone kept expecting Robin Hood to show up. Some archers wore red jackets, others wore blue. There were archers in black, brown, and even purple jackets. But no one wore green. Soon there were only two archers left. One wore red and other wore blue. They were both very good. The spectators grew more excited. Some shouted, "Bravo, Blue Jacket!" while others exclaimed, "Go, Red Jacket!" Finally, the man in the red jacket won the contest. The people cheered loudly as he went to receive his prize from the sheriff. But the sheriff was angry because his plan had failed. He mocked that the sheriff was lucky that Robin Hood and his merry men were too afraid to come here. So the sheriff have won only because those cowards are not here. Finally, the man in the red jacket accepted the silver arrow humbly from the sheriff. Then, turning to the sheriff's guards, he said, "Since the sheriff says there is someone better than me, I will shoot this arrow as far as it can go. The finder may keep it." As soon as he had shot the arrow, all the sheriff's greedy guards ran off, leaving him alone with the two archers. The sheriff was turning to leave when the man in the blue jacket stepped forward and tied his hands. At the same time, the man who had the arrow threw off his red jacket and revealed his green jacket. Finally, Robin Hood and his merry men took the sheriff as their prisoner and went away to Sherwood Forest. At last, Robin Hood said, "You are worth many silver arrows, Sheriff. I will get my reward from the king when he returns." Your story is over. This story teaches you both the two qualities, good and bad, as well as and some informations about the game archery. So here are the hard words. Thank you.